Okay, I'm about to fertilize my roses for the first time ever. I've actually never fertilized anything, so this will be interesting. I Googled it, and we're in Dallas, and it said you could fertilize them in October, so that's what I'm gonna do. So, here it is. Rose tone. It just says sprinkle 1/4 cup of rose tone around the drip line of each plant, and work into the top inch of soil thoroughly. Oh wait. Okay. So yeah. It's all very good. Anyway, I think I should have probably did this in September, but it's only October 2nd, so I'm just going to run with it and hope for the best. So yeah. I really did not want to use my kitchen measuring cups for the fertilizer. So I just went inside and I measured it, and to this line is basically 1.25 cups. So I'm gonna use that. Okay, so that really honestly wasn't that bad, and I'm feeling a little silly for putting it off for that long, but hopefully that was okay. That was my first time fertilizing roses though, so I might have messed it up. Might did too late. Who's to say? Feel free to leave a friendly comment / advice for how I should do it next time. I obviously won't fertilize again until spring, and reading this bag, it said I could apply monthly from beginning of growing season to the middle of September. But I probably wouldn't apply it. Maybe I'm wrong, but I probably wouldn't apply it when it's 100 degrees in Dallas over the summer. But I'll definitely be doing this monthly, probably starting in like March, if I had to guess. And then, yeah, through September. It is October 2nd, but I feel like the roses don't know yet, so it'll be fine. Okay, personally, I already think the knockout roses look phenomenal. I don't think I've ever seen a better rose personally, but I'll insert some clips of them. The past couple of days they've looked really good. I'm interested to see what the fertilizer, if it makes them look better, because I didn't really think they could look any better. We did buy 3 other roses on clearance at Lowe's for like $13 each. They're the True Bloom brand. I've never used that brand. They were like fully alive and just on sale. So I bought them, and they've had some sporadic roses. We planted them in like mid-August. So looking very good for being planted mid-August, I think. Anyway, I'm hoping that will sort of give them a little new pep in their step. But yeah, I'm interested to see what it does for my knockout roses, because I don't think they can look any better. So stay tuned. I'll insert some clips. So these are the True Bloom ones. We've had a few blooms. This one needs some extra love. This one has some coming in though. Like, definitely has like a bunch coming in. So I'm hoping we'll get a little fall show out of those. This is also a True Bloom. I'm excited because I think my knockout started this way too, where they were just like small and didn't have a lot, but my knockout roses came as tiny plants. Like, I'll maybe insert a photo if I can find one. Now they're massive. Like, this knockout is like up to my shoulder, which is insane. But yeah.